Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that made needle and thread. It is simple, relaxing and full of creativity. Hand embroidery can be done on many fabrics like cotton, linen and silk. You can use it to decorate clothes, cushion covers, tablecloths, bags and wall frames. Every stitch is made by hand, which makes embroidery very special. Let's talk about some popular hand embroidery designs. First is the floral embroidery designs. Flowers are the most common and loved pattern. Rose, sunflowers and small flowers look beautiful. Floral embroidery is perfect for dresses, dupattas and pillow covers. Next is the leaf and vine embroidery designs. Leaf patterns look natural and elegant. They are easy to make and great for beginners. Vine designs are often used on borders and neckline. Another nice idea is the simple embroidery pattern. These designs use small and clean stitches. They look neat and modern. Simple embroidery is perfect for daily wear clothes. Now let's talk about traditional embroidery designs. These designs are inspired by culture and heritage. They look rich and detailed. Traditional embroidery is perfect for authentic wear and special occasions. Modern embroidery designs are also very popular. They are small, stylish and minimal. These designs look great on shirts, kurtis and kids' clothes. Hand embroidery is also used for home decoration. You can decorate cushion covers, table mats and wall hangings. Handmade embroidery makes the home look warm and beautiful. For beginners, start with basic stitches. Running stitch, back stitch, chain stitch and lazy daisy stitch are easy to learn. Practice slowly and enjoy the process. Always use good quality thread and fabric. This makes your work neat and clean. Hand embroidery is not just a hobby, it's help reduce stress and bright happiness. You can also make gifts a start and small business with embroidery. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can easily make these very beautiful and trendy stylish hand embroidery designs. Stylish light and dark color combination contrasts you can use. So friends, try these hand embroidery designs at home. Create something beautiful with your hands and enjoy the art. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.